Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your MidLang Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in MidLang Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as midlangmortgagecorp.com. In my case, it's the second one. And now we are in the official website of MidLang Mortgage. Now to log in, tap on this login button which is on the top right of your screen. And here is where you provide your login credentials to log into your MidLang Mortgage account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for your username and type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can also check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on this text forgot your username or password. If you don't have account in MidLang Mortgage, you can create one by tapping on this button create account. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Consider liking this video if it was and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries and questions in the comment section below. I will get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.